Did you know your body holds a hidden power to heal itself faster and more completely than you ever imagined? Most people never tap into it, but today I'll show you how to awaken your body's natural healing potential, starting now. Whether you're recovering from illness, dealing with chronic pain, or simply want to boost your health, these proven methods will help you activate your body's self-repair system. 1. Harness the power of deep breathing practice slow. Deep belly breaths for just 5 minutes a day to kickstart your body's healing response. Conscious breathing reduces stress hormones and floods your cells with oxygen, a critical ingredient for repair. 2. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep in a cool, dark room to maximize healing. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that rebuild tissues and strengthen immunity. Combine hydration with nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and ginger to give your body the building blocks it needs to repair. Water flushes out toxins and supports every cellular process. 4. Manage stress with meditation or yoga. Practices like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness calm the nervous system, creating an optimal state for regeneration. Just 15 minutes of morning sun can make a big difference. Chronic stress slows healing by suppressing your immune system. 5. Gentle movement and stretching. Low-impact exercise increases circulation, bringing nutrients and oxygen to damaged tissues. Trust your body, visualize healing, and affirm daily, I am healthy, I am strong, I am healing. Keep a gratitude journal, laugh often, and surround yourself with uplifting people to support your body's natural repair. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or a simple daily walk promote faster recovery. 6. Get natural sunlight. Moderate sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is crucial for immune function, bone health, and overall healing. 7. Cultivate positive emotions. Gratitude, joy, and love trigger the release of endorphins and healing hormones. 8. Believe in your body's ability to heal. Your mindset matters. Studies show that positive expectations can speed recovery. By integrating these simple yet powerful habits into your daily life, you'll supercharge your healing power and transform your overall well-being.